Again.
Hit and you'll do anything to cop more. Steal from your mama.
Hey man, you get bit by like a mosquito or something? You don't look so good.
Do I look like the kind of guy that would do that to a kid like you?
You look like a snake!
Yes!
What? What the fuck?
Oh, cause some came in the mail today. These nuts. Got him! Got him! Oh! Whoa! Whoa!
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Timmy, give your meat a good old rub. That's it. Nice and hot. Hot and spicy meat. Yeah, boy.